buy at the store and then put in the pot to eat. And from yuga, along with the coconut, when you grate it, log egg, you grate the coconut and the yuca together, and you make the lab called sahel.
So after that, you just brush it off?
Yeah.
But don't they have the other one where in the back that you can actually like use the front, because the front is so pointy that you just use the back so you can just slide off? I don't know what it's called.
Unless you make it both sides.
That's a grater, right? Grater.
Because for the cassava, for the processing of cassava, they have some big ones, right? That stand at least 3 feet from the ground. That's the one they use to grate the cassava. But this is just a right? This is just so right? Or ruguma. Ola. That's strainer. Alright? So we go to the farm now. Our we Arab, right? Our watiha no gani. Right? Lai watiha no gani. Our wanudu no awu. Our wadaya hani. What we will be peeling. Adaya hani is peeling the cassava. Our watu ne lai le our wakulu sunu. Right? Wakulu sunu gani. Lagi yegi. Lai lira our wase runi. Lida ruguma. And you le hadume aba hani suni le kwang idibu aba hitu long idibu no le bodo aba hitu aba we. Okay, what they do, they hang this part on the tree, right? A strong part of the tree, right? Make sure thick branch. Then this part drops down, and they put another stick inside, and then they have us sit on it, like 5 to 6 people, in order because this contracts, right? So because it contracts, see. So when you sit on it, it pulls, and when it pulls, the juice from the poison cassava starts draining. When that is done, you get the sibiba, right? Then we don't have the smart, but the hibis, it's one made like this, but it's round, and that's what you use to sieve. That's a sieve, hibis.
This is the aroma in the real one. This is just a toy.
Okay? And when after the strain, right? Like I say, we get the sibiba, the cassava, and then that's what we in the morning, the following day, it's a 2 days work. Right? Now the comal is set over big fire hot. Then you sieve to get the cassava flour. Then you spread it around on the comal for 15 to 30 minutes on one side. Flip it over, and you get the cassava bread arela.
So Arufudahati Sibiba.
Sibiba. That's the cassava flour. Sibiba.
Sibiba is a cassava what?
Cassava flour.